children, I hope you're all well. Today's maths learning is can I make patterns with 2D shapes? So we're still continuing our learning with 2D shapes, but we are making patterns. First, before we start, we're going to spend 5 minutes looking at some questions. So I'd like you to pause the video and go and get a piece of paper and a pencil ready. Off you go. Okay, now that you're ready, I'm going to show you a list of questions, and what I'd like you to do is answer the questions on your piece of paper. Are you ready? On your marks, get set, go. Please don't forget to pause the video. Go. Okay, so let's see what answers you got. Fantastic. Are you ready? Brilliant. So get your pencil ready to tick your work, to mark your work. 3 add 3 is 6. Well done. Another way of saying 3 add 3 is you could say double 3. It's the same as 3 add 3 because this double means there's 2 of those that are the same. 4 add 4 is 8, or you could say double, well done, 4. 5 add 5 is 10, or you could say double, fantastic, double 5. Brilliant. 6 add 6 is 12, or double 6 is 12. 2 add 2 is 4, and double 7 is 14. Well done, guys. Give yourself a tick if you got it right. If you made a mistake, check your answers. Fantastic. Now let's move on with our learning. I said that we're going to be making patterns with 2D shapes. So let's see our first question. At the top, I have my numbers, 1 to 12, and I have some shapes. Let's call out the names of the shapes. I have my square, my circle, my quadrilateral, circle, square, circle, quadrilateral, circle, square, circle. Complete the pattern using one of these shapes options. So we've got to fill in what could be number 11 and number 12. I wonder, so I've got to look at my pattern, my repeating pattern. So let's see. I think my pattern looks like this. Am I right? Square, circle, quadrilateral, sorry, but then I have circle, square, circle. Well, maybe it's not a 3-shape pattern. Maybe I need more than 3 shapes. Maybe it's square, circle, quadrilateral, circle. Maybe this is my pattern. Let's see, square, circle, quadrilateral, circle. Look, another pattern here. So it's repeating. This pattern and this pattern is exactly the same, which means here I have square, circle. What could this shape be? Square, circle, a quadrilateral. So I'll have my quadrilateral over here and then a circle here. So now I've got to find which of A, B, C or D matches this. So that's a square and triangle, no. Square and circle, no. I need a quadrilateral and a circle. So my answer is C. Fantastic. So they are the same. So you see how I made a mistake in the beginning and then I fixed it because I checked my pattern. So this is actually a 4-shape repeating pattern, not a 3-shape repeating pattern. Let's have a look at the next question. Find the repeating parts to complete the pattern. What are the missing shapes? So we've got to work out what these 2 shapes are. So let's see. I will first work out the part that repeats. That's what we did earlier. So let's have a look at the part that repeats. So I've got all triangles, but let's look at the vertices of my triangle, okay? So that's facing up, and then that's down, up, down, and down. Do you see it? So that's how I'm going to work out my repeating pattern. Now I'm going to use my red pen. So I've got up, down, down. That's one pattern. Up, down, down. You see it? My triangle, the vertices pointing up and these 2 vertices are pointing down, up and 2 down. So what could be my next 2 shapes? Remember, I'm not looking for 3 shapes, I'm only looking for 2 shapes. So what do you think it could be? Fantastic. It will be a triangle that's pointing up and a triangle that's pointing down. Why haven't I chosen this triangle again? Exactly, because I only have 2 shapes to fill in, so I don't need my third triangle. So this will be the correct answer. All right, moving on. What shape will be in position 15? So I have 1 to 10. I've got to work out what shape will be in position 12, 13, 14, and 15. So I have to work out what shape will be here. So first, I will need to work out my patterns. So let's see. Let me use a blue, different blue. I have got circle, circle, triangle, triangle. Oh, hold on. Circle, circle, triangle, triangle, and then this triangle facing up. Circle, circle, triangle, triangle, and that triangle facing up. So this is my first pattern, and this is my second repeating pattern. So now I've got to work out what number 15 would be. So I've finished my triangle here, which means I'm going to start with a circle again. So circle, circle, triangle going down, triangle going down, triangle going up. I've copied it exactly the same. So what shape will be in position 15? Well done, the triangle with the vertices pointing up. Okay? So you see how easy it is? You just got to work out the patterns first and then work out the answers slowly, step by step. Let's look at the next question. Describe each pattern to your partner. Okay, you can just describe it to me or you're grown up at home. Draw the missing shapes for each pattern. Right, so I've got my pattern here and then I've got my 2 spaces over here to fill in. I have a square and a triangle, triangle and a square. Square, triangle, triangle, square. Square, triangle. What will go here? So look again. Let's look at, so this is my repeating pattern because this pattern is the same as this, okay? Or this shape is the same as this. So I've got square, triangle, triangle, square. Square, triangle, triangle, square. So that's my second shape. Square, triangle. What will the next one be? Triangle, square. Well done. So I'll draw my triangle at the top and my square at the bottom. Am I done? No, I still have one more. So if I have square, triangle, triangle, square, what do I start with again? Square, triangle, triangle, square. What do I start with again? Square, triangle. So here I'll have my square and my triangle. See? Nice and easy, right? Fantastic. So what you're going to do now is you're going to have a look at Google Docs and answer the questions on there. You will have a tip to take a picture of the work you're doing and upload it onto Google Classroom. All right, I hope you enjoyed that. Please remember, when you're trying to work out a pattern, check where does the pattern start and where does it stop and how does it repeat again. That always helps you. So even here, when we're trying to work out, we said, okay, it starts with a pointy triangle at the top and ends with a pointy at the bottom. Starts at the top, ends at the bottom. All right? Okay, guys, we'll see you all very soon. Bye.